Hey guys, what's up? It's me. I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a long time. I've been busy in a pandemic and all of that. But today I'm out here and down over there you can see the box that I shot with the pellet gun in the last video. And if you haven't watched that video, click off this video and watch that one because to me it's good. But we're gonna shoot it with a BB gun and see if that box will stop it or the BB will go straight through. I already loaded it. Now I need to put you down where you can see the box. Okay, good. Firing. Okay. I got it. Let's see. I shot it. Now, let's see if it went through. Where did it go? I think this is it. It did not come out. The BB is in there somewhere. Oh my gosh, it's so windy there. You can probably see it and see how windy it is. Okay, I'm gonna shoot it again to make sure if it was a fluke. We are gonna find out it was a fluke. If you guys fall over, I'm sorry. Okay. It is a windy day. But I don't know if it fired. But the BB is not in it. Yeah, it fired. Did not come out. Let's see if we can find where the BB is. It's got to. I don't know why. Okay. Oh, this is a mess. That's all fine. So, I don't want to dig in it because it's going to take way too long to make this video way boring. Let's see. Alright, if you are looking in that grass. It's a windy day. Now I am going to shoot where I'm going to try to hit the paper. Like, open it up. Try hit in there. Try hit that. Okay. Okay. Sorry, if my finger's in the way. Okay. I'm in 3, 2, 1. Oh. Yeah, I heard yeah, that did not sound good. I think I heard something like the BB hit paper, Wait. Oh, yep, we can see it right there. My finger is right there. Where I think, yeah, right there. Did not come out. I mean, the BBs are in this box right now. Last video, the pellet gun went straight through it. And I thought this stopped it, but in reality it went right through it. Well, now we know. This box filled with trash stops a BB. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications to see more of my videos. Bye.